Jai Srimannarayana. 8th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mayyeva mana adhatsva mayi buddhim nivesaya nivasishyasi mayyeva atavurdhvam न संशयः ॐ. Here is the reality. Have no doubt in this. Center your mind on Sri Krishna Paramatma alone. Have Sri Krishna Paramatma alone as your object for your meditation. Let your buddhi be absorbed into Sri Krishna Paramatma alone. Then you become Krishna Paramatma's responsibility. You can be fearless all along your life and attain eternal bliss. As and how a child in the mother's lap have no fear, as and how a disciple under the guidance of an authentic Acharya feels no fear, you can also be fearless all along your life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall fix my mind on your divine personality. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall let my buddhi be absorbed into your effulgence. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall be fearless then onwards. Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. I shall not cry any more. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your orders. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 215th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma in Vrindavanam, in many forms of Gopabalas, in many forms of baby cows, he is giving such a beautiful darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. How is that Krishna looking? Angrimastakam apurnaha tulasi navadamabhihi komalaihi sarvagatreshu bhuri punyavadarpitaihi. Krishna Paramatma in so many forms, he is completely decorated with beautiful, very delicate tulasi garlands. From divine feet to the divine head, all over the body, Krishna Paramatma is decorated, filled up with so many tulasi garlands. Such Paramatma in so many forms, giving beautiful darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. All the devotees, they listen to the divine stories of Krishna Paramatma. The devotees, they listen to the divine qualities of Krishna Paramatma. And while praising, while praying, while worshipping, all the devotees will be offering tulasi to Sri Krishna Paramatma. With such great amount of tulasi, Krishna Paramatma is decorated. Such Krishna Paramatma in many forms, giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. And not only that, Chandrika Visadasmeraihi, his beautiful face, Krishna Paramatma's pleasant face is glowing with beautiful, nice smile, which gives us great amount of relief. With that kind of nice, pleasant smile on his glowing face, Krishna Paramatma in many forms giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Saruna apanga vikshitaihi svakardhanamiva rajasatvabhyam srashtrupalakaha. Krishna Paramatma, from his divine, beautiful, lotus-like wide eyes, he is showering grace, he is showering compassion, he is showering his Asirvadam. With such great, gracious, divine eyes, Krishna Paramatma in many forms giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. Paramatma is the one who fulfills the desires of devotees. Paramatma is the one who brought this entire Srishti into existence. Paramatma is the one who is preserving, protecting this Srishti. Such Paramatma, with his great, gracious, divine eyes in so many forms, he is giving his darshanam to Chaturmukha Brahma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 8th sloka. Mayyeva mana adhatsva mayi buddhim niveshaya nivasishyasi mayyeva अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः। मय्येव मन आधत्स्व मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।